Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking everyone on a process of hair day. So I've had these braids in now for just over 3 weeks, coming to 4 weeks. So yeah, I think it's time to take them out. The front's looking a bit old. So that is what I'm doing. I have started by taking these two out and I combed it out to detangle and put it in this twist out. So that is what I'll be doing to the rest of the hair. And the back are just single braids, but the front are cornrows, so this is going to take a while. So that is how I take out one braid. So now what I have to do is comb this out and start from the tips. My hair is moisturized already because I put oils in it every day while it was in braids. So I can feel the moisture. Hey guys, so a couple of hours have passed. I finished the front and I left it for quite a while, so that's why I haven't started the back at all. So, starting again, I'll just start from the bottom and work my way up because I have to keep all the hair.
Two days later.
So it's been 2 days and I put my hair in some twists just to keep it until I decided to do my wash day, which is today. So now the start of wash day means hot oil treatment. So in a bowl I mixed some raw shea butter, coconut oil and olive oil, and I just put that in a bowl and put it in a microwave for 30 seconds. And now don't forget to seal the ends. So now I'm going to tie it up and put this on for 30 minutes. I did best I could to wash all the oils out. And now I go in with shampoo. So the shampoo I've been using is this one, the Argan Oil and Morocco shampoo. Hydrate and Revive. And it's sulfate free, so that's the most important thing you need to do when you buy shampoo. Sulfate free products, because I think it dries out your hair if it has sulfates in it. So get a generous amount. So that's done. I usually do this part in the shower, so it's a bit weird to sit down in clothes and do it, but hopefully I did the best job I could. I'll just massage the product into my hair to make sure I'm getting a deep cleanse. And the oils, I can feel it in there as well, so that's good. So once I wash this off, it will all be clean. Okay, done. So I've washed out the shampoo. My hair's feeling nice. And now the next step is my protein treatment. I usually do this almost every wash day because it's really good for hair growth. And this time I made some rice water. So in here is rice water and orange peels, because I looked online and if you put orange peels it makes it smell better, because you know the smell of rice water isn't the best. I don't want my hair to be smelling like that all the time. So I'm just taking out the orange peels. Yeah, I definitely recommend this method. I can actually drop the link below for the video where I got this method from. To cover it up with my shower cap and leave it in for half an hour, and I'll get back to you. So I've kind of been procrastinating for the past 20 minutes, which is the last thing anyone should be doing on wash day, so my bad. So I've had this rice water for 20 minutes longer, so hopefully that did something. More hair growth, I guess. So I'll go wash it off, and then I need to go in my deep conditioning. This is the one I have. Deep treatment. Got it from a beauty supply store in England, in London actually, and it was £14.99. Deep treatment mask, sheer moisture. Oof. You know when you get to like halfway through wash day and you're just so like over it? That's basically me right now. And the weather outside is quite bad. So, I mean, I can't go out anyway, so I might as well keep going. A little shake. No sulfate again. That is what you need to be looking out for in your hair products. So I'm going to go in just with my hands, and my hair is in the sections already. Okay, so this is going to be another long wait. I've already put the timer on for about half an hour, so it can do its work, get the moisture in my hair. I'm going to put some links in the description for petitions you can sign for the Black Lives Matter movement, because obviously we know what's been going on, and we're not going to stop. Like, it's not just a phase. This is Black Lives Matter. I need to keep raising awareness about it, and just educate yourselves, sign petitions, donate if you can, and just make sure you're playing your part. Can I just say, I started this at 1:45 today. It is currently 4 p.m.
A few moments later.
So I just came out of the shower and the hair's now washed completely. So I'm just going to blow dry it and put my product in it, and I will show you the product I'll be using. Shea butter, natural shea butter. This mixture of oils. Olive oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and my leave-in conditioner. So I'll do that in the process of drying my hair, then I'll show you the results afterwards. So if you've come this far, this is a final result. I hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos coming. Follow my social media in the description box down below, and I'll try to link it on here if I can as well. Bye.